Hello everyone, this is Chetan here, founder of MySahayak. MySahayak was designed basically to help individuals or victims who are suffering, and by using the network of volunteers that is around you to quickly reach out to you and help you out. So let's look at how it is organized. So Sahayak Foundation was created basically to make sure we are using the donations and CSR funding to build the app, and also all the maintenance of the hardware, the infrastructure and the APK is actually provided by the Sahayak Foundation. So you pretty much all the organizations will get it for free. Organizations will get their own applications that they can put it on their website or on their Play Store. Each organization can create multiple branches, and all the users, volunteers and their families can register under those branches. The key features are everything is a one tap click, which means whether it is a service or if it is an emergency, it can be triggered simply by clicking one button. The family members that are associated to your victim automatically gets a triggered notification, and they can use the system as if to notify them as to where the victim is, and they can reach out to them in case there is something that they need to take care. Video and audio recording happens automatically for 20 seconds for every event. The application is actually customizable at a branch level, where they can actually customize as to what actions or what events they can support. Volunteers are selected close by, and instead of the noisy WhatsApp, unstructured format, everything is happening in a structured way. Everything is tracked, documented, and reports can be run at a later time to figure out if there is anything there, where things are happening. You can check that out. In addition, there are notification functionality or announcement that can be done. There are multiple languages, which means we support every language that you want to use. What are the real world scenarios? As you can see on the screen, it's accident, fire, whether senior citizens have fallen, a robbery is taking place, or a kidnapping. All this can be helped by volunteers immediately because they are the closest people near you and they can reach out to you. In a case of a kidnapping, the family member and the volunteers can follow the exact direction the kidnapping is taking place, and instead of where the trigger point happened, you can actually follow it in that particular direction. The entire system is designed to use Google Maps and geolocation, so you can actually know what the driving directions and how to reach to that individual quickly. This is our backend preview that we have shown, where you can actually customize you can add any services you want and customize it. This is the preview for support team and the admins, where they can actually see what events are happening at what time, where the location is, and accordingly they can go through the logs and all that stuff that is available for them immediately. If they click on a particular phone view, then this detail is actually visible, where you can see the background. It's a full screen view. Here we have actually recorded the user and actually shown how the buttons will look like, and then user, when they trigger an event, the volunteers will be notified, and then this is the volunteer screen, where you see that the volunteer is visible and the user is visible to the volunteer. The support team will actually see both the volunteers on their screens, and the user or the victim will see all the volunteers and their family heading in their direction, and know that they are 5 minutes away or 1 minute away, and feel comfortable that help is on their way. What we are asking for is, if you know any decision makers either in your society or any organizations who are looking to save lives in their community, we would appreciate if you can present us to them, and they can reach out to us using the links below. They can go to our website and send us a request for information, and then we'll reach out to them. Thank you very much for listening.